Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar, doing a digital roof inspection here for a homeowner out in the La Mesa area that is having some roofing issues, and we want to enlighten what the problems are and show what we'd recommend as a professional fix. I guess we'll start over here. This is a flat roof apartment over here. This is a type of rolled roofing material called a modified bitumen torch down. It's rolled out. It's basically like a big asphalt shingle, but then it's they use a torch and they actually heat it up, the tar, and then that's what creates the waterproofing on the seams. Now the granules are severely gone. I mean, you can see all the black tar kind of showing through, and that's even worse condition than this, I would say. And so definitely going to go down there and see what we think about the wood, but just from up here, this is definitely something of urgency, I would say, for the homeowner. So this is architectural asphalt shingle roof. We are seeing some wear and tear from granule loss. The oils evaporate over time, and the granules come off, and you kind of see the fiberglass, and the integrity of that shingle is kind of failed. So some building practices that change over time is ridge cap installation. We should see no nail penetrations. It's an easy way for water to get directly into the ridge. So that is a building practice that needs to be updated. Going over here, we like to point out the eave of the roof gives us a really good idea of the health of the wood. During a roofing project, we typically have to replace a lot of wood. So it's really hard to tell until we take off the top. So right here we can see the fascia board, the rafter coming out, and we can see some termite damage that definitely needs to be replaced, and then plywood underneath. Right, you can see like this fascia board right here got replaced at some time. This one right here is severely eaten out, in that corner right there. So during a roof process, we take off the roof and we replace all and any bad wood. And so we can see, like right here, you can see this is a sign of termite damage. These are interesting because as long as these woods stick out, you're going to have issues with the sun beating it up, unless you put a sheet metal cap over the top or cut them down. So we'll have that conversation with the homeowner. Getting up to the second story here. So this roof is actually what we call a 3 and 12 pitch. So for every 12 feet, it goes up 3 feet, right? So by roofing code, 3 and 12 is the first low pitch, where for an architectural asphalt shingle roof, you have to use a specific underlayment by code. So that's either 2 layers of the synthetic or a peel and stick underlayment. So we always like to verify. Yeah, you can see on the south facing sides, you get a lot more granule loss just because sun exposure. This is an old water heater, it needs to be canceled. We can remove this for the homeowner and dispose of it, and seal all the penetrations on the holes. And so it's important to identify the layers of roofing before, so we can give an accurate quote. There's the wood decking, only 1 layer on this roof. So a lot of other roofing contractors will hit a customer for an upcharge of $45 per square or something like that. And so this quote today we were talking about is going to be for only for the 1 layer tear off, which we confirmed. This is something that has been canceled. This is something where we can also cancel as well. Again, pointing out these rafters coming out, the sun exposure, it's just going to be hard to keep these things nice. We recommend cutting them down or putting a piece of sheet metal on top. That ends the video inspection. We will take more documentation over on the flat roof, but just wanted to get everything covered on the main house roof. It is our professional recommendation that we definitely tear this thing off, get this machine off here, and put a new architectural asphalt shingle on. Thank you.